Welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to show or hide quick access toolbar in Excel. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So guys, you can see there is no any quick access toolbar. So if you want to show, so just click on the ribbon display options. So just click on it. So here you can see show quick access toolbar. So when you will click on it, you can see quick access toolbar is appear. So if you want to disappear it, so again click on it and you can see hide quick access toolbar. So when you will click on it, you can see quick access toolbar is disappear. So guys, in this way you can show or hide quick access toolbar in Excel. So guys, if you want to watch more useful videos related to Excel, then go to playlist and you can find more useful videos related to Excel. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.